This was the last load, other than the wings I had before. Picture here. 6 by 12, and then this here. And then I just finished up another load. I'm gonna go get it and leave it here. It's a cord, over a cord. Anywho, I'll show you when I'm down there. But I'm not gonna unload it today because I'm tired. I ran a tank of gas and a log splitter. I went and jumped in the pool, cool off because my shirts are drenched. My shorts are drenched. And then I just went back down there and finished like 15 round, 12 inch, 10 inch rounds. 2 cord, locust, sassafras, honey locust, ash. That goes to my cousin Donna. Anyway, I'll show you what I got down here. Or these rounds right here, 20, 25, 30 rounds like that. A lot of wood in there. Can't even get the tripod over there. Cord, the red elm. Now I'm 6 foot tall, 6'1" ish. This trailer's dragging ass. I will measure this the same side when I'm done. And look, it's not gonna be. For you, it's a couple seconds, but I'm 6 foot tall. So, I could actually get more on here because I just toss it into the bed, up to the bed sides, and then I build my sides up. One side, I toss in the middle. Sometimes I stack, sometimes hard to do with round stuff. And I like have a bunch of round kind of jars of wood. Could lose some. Then the back, I build up to here, and then I stack it up this way till a certain point, which is undecided until it's decided. Then I just toss everything on top. Like I said, I could get a lot more wood in here, but this is not ideal. I got a little locust right there. But a lot of wood. Stringy. The aroma, the red elm, nothing like it. But yeah, I could split a couple more rounds, but I gotta get the bush hog going. I gotta chip all these limbs. I got 4 trees over here I need to cut. I got a honey locust up here. It's probably 28, 32 inches around. That I'm gonna sell to a buddy of mine. He's gonna do the self-split like this video up here. But that's just a cheaper option for him that way, because cutting this shit, I don't know, I spent like an hour and a half cutting all that and this up with my Little Red. Little Red's my 2255, 455 Husky. But I spent 2.5 hours no, I didn't spend 2.5 hours over there. I spent 2.5 hours over here. And I spent probably another 2.5. I don't know. I really didn't look at the clock when I got back because when I got back, I actually went mowed the grass and then I hopped in the pool. I changed my shirt to a shop shirt. It's all holy. Just something to... Anyway, I'm gonna get this back to the house, or actually the barn, and I will unload this another night, which for you, that's right now. Rather than using the tripod as a base measurement, I figured I'd measure out. Got 23.5 to the tailgate. 23. 3/8. Catch it. I'm gonna unload this another day. Yeah, I'm just went ahead and done it. Oh well. Be tired, I'm tired. So here's the before. Here's what I'm lacking. I finished the back one. I've got like a 2x4 eighth of a cord. Right? A quarter of a cord. Face cord. Yeah. So, see how much the truck gained. $32.25 from 23 3/8. Almost 10 inches. It's pretty damn good. Pretty damn good. And each time I put a row on, I always wind up a little higher than the next, or the last. Oh, this trailer don't drop. I burn all the little scrap shit. Because I get all the little short stuff up top. But yeah, that's pretty damn good. That's a cord. Definitely brought in over a cord. Here, let's see what this is. Where do you sit? Still. 6'4". To 12'2". 6'4", 12'2". Basically. Plus the V on the other side. So, anywho, I'll see y'all